everybody, we're here at Carteret Mobile Park with Efrain and Lourdes Santiago. They're gonna see this gorgeous house for the first time ever, and we have our electricians here setting up the electric. Hi guys.
Oh, hello.
And gonna have them come in the back door, and we're gonna catch their faces on film for the first time ever, seeing their new gorgeous house. Hi there, you're part of the video, hope you don't mind.
It's alright.
Ta-da!
Wow, very nice. Very nice.
Okay, I'm gonna shift because my lighting is bad and I want your faces all bright.
Okay.
Pero
Make sure
que
you get my good
piensan?
side. Make sure you get my good side, okay?
Yeah, your good
Okay,
side.
that's
Your
it.
every side.
Yeah. That.
Woo! What do you think of that new cabinetry?
Yeah.
That's the newest
Beautiful.
color. Timberwolf. Oy, qué bien.
Roll domesticado, number one, okay? Nice. Yeah.
Microwave.
Ready.
This is the 4 appliance package. The stove, it's a Viking look-alike.
Nice. Yeah.
Your dishwasher. Your refrigerator. Your sink. Woo! That's it.
Nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
Look at this. Let me see your face.
I'm stunned. I'm still walking around stunned.
Oh, how cute. Okay, open that door. Let's see what's in there. Ta-da!
There you
Nice.
go.
Look at that.
That's a lot of room too. Look at that.
Nice. So storage, cold, and or pantry.
Yeah.
Very feng shui-ish. Right? Very nice.
All right, what do you want to see first? The second bedroom? Or?
Go that way.
Is there a fan up there? Your furnace. It's a one-piece unit, and it's runs your heat and your air conditioning through that.
Nice. Dual. Very
Yes.
good. Awesome.
Central.
Central.
Must
It's
have it,
central
must
air
have it.
conditioning.
This is a lot wider than I thought it was going to be too.
Wow, that's a big plus, Mike.
Okay. I gotta stand over here so I get my lighting on you.
Nice.
In
I'm
a.
in. Now I'm out. I'm in. Now I'm out. Nice. Wow, look
A
at
lot
that.
of space too, right?
It goes all the way back there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
What do you think of these huge windows?
I know it. Nice, big.
Oh my goodness.
Very, very
The lighting
nice.
on it.
Yeah, lighting coming and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Hey, this room's looks a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah, definitely.
Good. Good, because that's where you're going to be most time.
My office, that's right. My office.
All right, let's take a look at the kitchen from this angle.
Yeah.
Wow, what do you think of that?
Lot of room, a lot of breathing room.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Nice. See right here, you put the nice big domino table.
Ah.
Happy.
Go this way
Yeah,
and
nice.
check it out.
I got room here for little
Yeah, this is going to get
table chairs
used
to
a
eat.
lot.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Nice, yeah, right here. Yeah. Awesome.
Okay, let's see the bathroom.
Step back. Give me some breathing room. Thank you. Very nice. Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that.
Woo, look at that. Sheesh.
Plenty of room.
Plenty of room. Breathing room. Very good.
Oh wow, yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah.
That's nice.
Nice.
I love it.
Nice. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah.
I love it. Everything is so new. You know, it's like you don't have to worry about anything going wrong.
Wash and dryer.
No, it's all under warranty.
That's it
Yep.
right here. See?
Nice. The
You know what's good about
master.
it? You said this was wider, right?
Yeah, 16 feet wide.
It's good
That's as
because we
wide
have-
as it can go on the
We have a
highway.
king size bed, so
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna fit
King
in
size
here
will fit there
perfect.
perfect,
Even with the
that's
two
right.
end tables.
King size bed for the king size man.
Ah.
Just another closet here.
Take a look. That is your
That's long.
hot water heater.
Nice.
And when you do the upgrade, the 40-gallon.
Muy caliente. Very good. Very good.
That valve,
Nice.
yeah, that cutoff valve thing in there for when we go away.
Oh, you see that?
Yes,
the water
yes.
supply?
Oh,
Yep.
yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Another light, white closet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm ready to move in. Let's go.
Oh!
Yes, absolutely. Let's go.
They have to finish though.
Let's seal this deal, baby.
All right, let's go back to the kitchen. We can wrap it up and get some closing words.
Alrighty.
Yeah, we didn't look at the laundry area. There it is.
Oh, yep.
There's our electrician. By the time we leave, the lights will be on, and I won't need this little light on top. Is it still on?
Yep.
Oh wow. It's not very bright.
No, it's good.
So, what do you want to say about this house?
I think it's well built, very bright, open plan, beautiful floors,
Nice
cabinetry
colors.
is
The
great.
colors are awesome.
Ooh, let's take a
Oh,
look at the
great.
floor. I didn't even
Yeah.
see that.
Yeah.
Very
It's
nice.
perfect.
Yeah. And
Okay,
it's,
siéntate al lado de, párate al lado de ella.
okay, this way. All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. I love everything about it, especially it's brand new. Everything's functional. Colors and tones are gorgeous. I could see us living here for a long, long time.
Yes.
So
Very nice.
thank you for giving us the opportunity to,
Yes.
you know, become a part of one of your neighbors. And I can't say that that I'm very pleased, and as that saying always goes, happy wife.
Happy life.
She's happy, I'm happy. So
I'm happy. I'm home and I'm home.
there you go.
Ay, qué lindo.
The deal is sealed.
Very nice. Now we gotta get to work. So
Yep.
there they are, doing what they need to do. And then we'll get you in here as soon as possible. Thanks for
wait.
stopping by, everybody.
Our pleasure. Take care.
All right.